At IEM, development team's goals have always been to ensure that we are meeting the customer requirements by incorporating agile practices into software development. For example, when developing web of application, we incorporated agile Kanban methodology using prioritized backlog items, continuous integration, code reviews, etc. to ensure that a given feature meets the customer requirements. At IEM, development teams and QA teams working together deliver minimum viable functionality to the customer for further feedback. Based on customer and end user feedback, any additional changes will be incorporated into the next stage of development. This way, we would ensure that the development is not taking place in isolation and at the same time meeting all the customer requirements.
We had very close collaboration with the Department of Health and Human Services when developing an anthrax modeling tool for their use. As additional functionalities were needed, we initiated a pilot program with Los Angeles and New York City public health departments to gain feedback directly from the end user and optimize the tool for their specific needs. At the federal level, we continued to work with interagency subject matter experts to come to a consensus on the modeling parameters we would use. Ultimately, we developed a useful tool for federal, state, and local public health planners, allowing them to optimize their response plans and balance the cost-benefit of different approaches. Our modeling framework can rapidly respond to changing priorities and also be tailored to meet specific objectives, which is critical when responding to a public health emergency.
We all know that change is inevitable on software projects. I had changes requested today. I met with the customer and the end user who was requesting the changes. We talked about exactly what changes they would like to make, and I captured the requirements for the changes. Then I met with my technical team, and we talked about how to best incorporate these changes into the upcoming development sprints. Next, I'll schedule a meeting with the customer, which will happen very soon, and I'll report back to them our recommendations for incorporating the changes into the development sprints based on the complexity and the priority of the changes. This is how we handle all software changes at IEM.